Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Dorr and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and I hope you're having a fantastic day today. So this video is going to be showing you guys what I got from Morphe and the Lisa Frank collection. Lisa Frank was huge when I was in like kindergarten, first and second grade. That's the years I remember being into it as much as I was. So my inner child is screaming right now and just sheer excitement. But I was going to show you guys what I got. So let's jump in and look at this. So the first thing that I have is the Morphe Lisa Frank Artistry Palette in 35B. Let me see what this looks like. Alright. So I thought the alien one was cute, but I like kitties, and the alien one was sold out, so I went with this one. I think there was a unicorn one too. So you open it like this. Ooh. You got a little heart mirror here, and you got all these colors are so beautiful. I'm aware that the palettes are the same, it's just the outer packaging that's different, but the 35B palette is just so gorgeous. I was immediately drawn to this one as per usual, but yes, I love this palette. It is so pretty, so many different colors, so many different things to do with it, so definitely excited about this palette. And then I also got the Painted Lip Crayon Trios. I got the Painted Play It Neutral. And let me see what this has. And I love this packaging because it is reminding me of it a lot. Alright, so this one is Kid at Heart. It says shiny. That's pretty. And then this one is Friends Forever. It also says shiny. It's that one. And then we have Lifetime Fan. Also says shiny. That one's a little bit more pink. And then we have Paint It Playful. And again, the packaging is just so pretty. We have Slumber Party, which says shiny, and it looks like it's purple. It's coming up more pink, but it is very purple. It is very, very much purple. Then we have Pen Pal. And then we have the last one, which is Dear Diary. And it's this one. It's so pretty. I wanted to get the brush kits, but they were all sold out. Hoping they restock, but I don't know if they will. But anyhow, that was it for the what I got from the Lisa Frank and Morphe collection. I'm very content with it. And yeah. So I think that's it. I will see you all next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.